Hi, my name's Andy and I'm a physiotherapist at Cape Byron Medical Centre. I'm also a yoga teacher, so today being World Yoga Day, I wanted to share with you a short yoga sequence that is perfect for anyone who might be stiff in their back, in their hips or in their legs. Also good for anyone who hasn't done yoga before, so if you're new to yoga, you're a little bit curious, see how you go with this 5-minute sequence. Take it easy, just ease into it with your body and see how it feels. It's nice and gentle, perfect way to wake up the body at the start of the day or to get out any stiffness that we may have picked up from sitting at our desks in the evening. The only thing you'll need is, if you have sensitive knees, having a towel that you can fold up and have on the floor is really nice underneath your knees. So placing that either on the floor or if you have a yoga mat, perfect. And then standing in front of the towel. So we're going to go through this sequence slowly to start with, and then second time round we'll go through a little bit faster. So standing up tall. Taking a moment to take a deep breath in through your belly and then let it go back out again. And then see if you can take a deep breath up into your chest. Let it back out again. One more into the belly. Often putting your hand there is helpful. Breathing into your belly, belly comes out. Letting that go again. And then hands by your side. Let's inhale and lift our arms up, reaching up as tall as we can go with our hands. And then exhale, bend down, bending your knees, gently bringing your hands either to the floor, or if that's a bit too much, just bringing them to your shins. Having a little bit of a bend here, but bending the knees is really nice. And then inhale, bringing the hands up to your shins. And then exhale, hands down to the floor. Take a step back with your right foot over the towel and place your right knee on the towel. And then inhale, lift your arms up to the ceiling. So you're having a nice stretch here through the front of your right hip. And then exhale, place your hands to the floor, stepping back with your left foot so that both toes are together. And then we're going to lift our knees up and gently reach our buttocks up to the ceiling. Downward facing dog. Staying here for a few breaths. And then inhale, we're going to take our right foot forward, step over the towel, place our left foot down, and again, reach our arms up to the ceiling. This time feeling a good stretch through the front of our left hip. And then bring our hands down around our right foot, step this time forward, and again we're going to be folding over our legs, either hands on the floor or hands on our shins. And then inhale, strong in the legs. Let's lift our arms up to the ceiling, getting long through the sides of the body. And exhale, bringing our arms to our side. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? So let's see if we can do it together with a little bit more fluency, following the breath. So just one breath for each movement. We're going to come inhale for one breath, exhale for one breath as we move through. So let's try it again. Inhale, lift our arms up. Exhale, bend forward, either hands to the floor or hands to the shins. Inhale, bring our arms up to our knees. Exhale, hands to the floor, right foot steps back first, right knee to the mat or the towel. Inhale, lift our arms up. Exhale, hands down, left foot steps back, and we lift our toes up, lift our hips up. Downward facing dog. Inhale, take our right foot forward, over the towel. Inhale, lift our hands up. And then exhale, left foot comes forward, meets the right. And then inhaling all the way up to the ceiling with our hands. Exhale, our hands by our side. And that's it. That's one round. So this is a perfect way of opening up the muscles through the front of the hips, through the back of the hips, having a little stretch for the lower back. Like I said, great way to warm up the body in the morning or stretch down our body in the afternoon after being at our computers. So give that a go. Maybe you can do a couple of rounds, feeling as though you're following the breath with your movement. And that's a great introduction to a little bit of yoga.